So hello aviation lovers, very good evening to all guys. My name is AASHISH Kumar Sahu and guys I'm an ex-Airlines employee. Guys I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Aviation Live. So guys today we'll be discussing about the latest vacancy which has come in the Star Airlines, and this video will be very detailed video. Those people who are just 12th pass or who are graduates, guys, this vacancy is for you. You can easily apply for this kind of vacancy. In this video I'll be telling the detailed analysis of how you can apply, where the interview is conducted, what will be the salary which you'll be getting there, and a lot more things, guys. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So guys, if you are new in the channel, please do follow me in my Aviation Live 2020 page. And guys, one more thing is that I used to provide online coaching where I used to coach people to make we coach people to crack airlines ground staff and cabin crew interview. Guys, till now from our coaching institute we have 106 selections. So if you want to be one of them, if you want to be under 200, so guys, do send a WhatsApp message in my number, that is 79950844. And guys, I am an ex-airlines employee. I know a lot of secret things how to crack the airlines interview. Guys, one more thing is that we used to make resume with 100% guaranteed shortlist. So guys, a lot of students are here in our page. You can follow them, you can ask them question, and guys, you can follow our Aviation Live page. Feel free to ask in doubts and queries. And guys, today is the last day to join the crash course. Guys, one more thing is that do also subscribe our YouTube channel, and there you will get to know very good detailed analysis video, and that thing you will be clearing the concept about joining the aviation. And guys, one more thing is that daily evening at night 9 to 10 p.m. I used to come live and I used to clear the doubts of the students. So guys, without any further delay, let's start the video. So guys, this vacancy is about the Star Air Airlines. So what you have to type is that you have to open Google Chrome and you have to type Star Air. So after typing the Star Air, what you have to click on the career. So guys, as you click on the career, you can see a lot of vacancies are there. For example, security agent, right? Security agent, we have already made a video on security agent Jamnagar base and security agent Surat base. So what you can do is that you can click on the I button and you can check the vacancies about the Jamnagar and Surat, and you can also see, as you click on the I button, guys, you can see a lot of new videos of our students sharing the interview experience. So you can watch the interview experience and you can learn from the interview experience. Guys, the next thing is that today we'll be dealing about the vacancies which has came in the Star Airways. So guys, in Star Air, a lot of vacancies that came. This time the vacancies for the analyst, senior analyst, assistant manager, contact center executive, aircraft certifying staff, and senior manager, finance officer. So guys, in this thing we'll be discussing about the contact center executive. So guys, without any further delay, let's click on the link. So guys, this with this very detailed video, let me check the recordings are going on or not. Yeah, recordings is going on. Okay, so now guys, coming to the next thing is about the job detail. So guys, this job detail is a minimum requirement. Okay, let me use a pen. Hold on guys, hold on for 1 second. Okay, so now we can use a pen. So this job look is clearly mentioned. The job location will be at Bangalore head office. So if you get selected in this interview, you will be working at Bangalore, right? And this is a contact center. We will be giving a call to passengers. You will be clearing their doubts. You will be clearing their queries. For example, if a flight got delayed or a flight got cancelled, if they are having some queries, you people will be handling all these kind of queries. Second thing is that if person want to book pre meals before taking off, before flying in the aircraft, so you can, so every queries they are having, they will be contacting you, right? So you'll be sitting at Bangalore head office. This is a office job where you'll be sitting at home and you'll be sitting at home. You'll be sitting at office, or you can also work from home because it's a head office, right? It's a contact center. For example, if the COVID center, if the COVID cases increases, so a lot of times you have to also work from home. So this is an office job. So this is best suitable job for girls. If you, those girls who want office job kind of things, so girls, this is for you. And even though for boys, those who want an office job, this is thing this is a new thing for you guys. One more thing is it's clearly mentioned 10+2 candidate pursuing graduation can apply. So guys, a lot of airlines they don't have on the basis of 10+2. This is Airlines, Star Airlines are hiring on the basis of 10+2. So if you have just passed 10+2, guys, this vacancy is for you. Now guys, the next thing is that pursuing. So if you're in the first year, second year, third year of the graduation, pursuing BA, BSc, BCom, BBA, anything else in the pursuing graduation, so guys, you can apply for this kind of job. Now coming to the second thing is that the requirement is excellent communication skills. So if you're having a good communication skills, right, and clearly mentioned fluency in English and Hindi, right, mandatory means important. So guys, if you're having a good communication skills in Hindi and English, you will be selected in this airline job interview. Now, the next thing is that they are also requirement is all about 1 to 2 year experience in call center. So if it's not the mandatory requirement, if you are having minimum requirement, if you are having a requirement of 1 to 2 year in call center, then it will be added as an advantage. For example, if you are working at BPO, or if you are working at some other field, any coaching institute, any coaching center, or any place, any head office, any place you are working as a call center, you will be given a preference. Now guys, coming to the next thing is that customer service environment is a prerequisite. Right now guys, coming to the next thing is a smart personality, well spoken, and should possess customer oriented attitude. Right, so they are looking for a person who can show good customer service to the passenger, because guys, this is a customer service industry. Airlines industry is all about the customer service industry, where we used to provide customer service to passengers, right? So this is all about the customer service. So the requirement is that you have to, there should be a good customer service thing. Now guys, the next thing is that they are looking for a good team player, right? Good team player, flexible, willing to work in rotational shift, because guys, airlines industry is an operational industry, right? There is nothing like that 9 to 10 job, no, nothing like that. The airlines industry is an operational industry. Problem can arise at any time. So what you have to do is that you have to work in rotational shift, you have to work in night shift, even though you have to work 24/7 if needed. Now guys, coming to the next thing is 24/7 means 24 hours 7 day. Okay, now guys, coming to next, or if needed, if ऐसा तो ऐसा होता नहीं, लेकिन if you can grow, if you want a growth in the company, and if you want to reach higher position soon, so you can work hard for the company, right? Male candidates preferred, right? Male. So if you are a male applying, if you want to male and want to apply for this job, you will be get preference, guys. You will get. So it doesn't mean that female will not get preference, right? It doesn't mean that female will not get selected. There's nothing like that. They are giving preference to male. So guys, do apply for it. Right, now guys, come to the next thing is that how to apply for it, what will be the salary package. Okay, managing inbound and outbound calls, provide excellent customer service. So guys, these are the few key responsibilities of managing the inbound and outbound calls, handling the call, provide excellent customer service, and ensure customer feel valued, assisting customers queries, resolving complaints through the booking and reservation, targeting driven job with attractive incentives. So guys, there will be a lot of incentive. So your salary will be approximately 15,000 to 20,000, right? Okay, now guys, the next thing is that why should I do this job? The guys, reason for this is that you can do this job, and after few months, right guys, see my strategy of my coaching institute. After few months, what you can do is that you can apply for Qatar customer service, right? Qatar customer service. So in Qatar customer service, if you're already having experience of working, if you're already having a call center experience, so it will be added as an advantage. So what I would suggest is that do work at Star Air, right? Do work for 6 months at least, 6 months at least. Then join the Qatar customer service. Here the salary is 15,000. Here the salary is 35,000, right? Our students, lot of our students are working at Qatar customer service. So you can watch the video. Right? If you scroll down, you can see a lot of students, their testimonial videos, their testimonials. You can watch that thing. You can click on the testimonials. You can get to know about the things. Okay, now guys, coming to the next thing is how to apply. So click on the links here, right? The form is given below. So just fill the form. Take a first name, do write your first name. If you're Mr., do write Mr., Mrs., Miss, Mrs., right? Write your first name, last name. Do write your email address, guys. Do always write the email address where they can contact you. Do write the phone number of your phone number in which they can give a call and they can ask you a few questions if needed. Now guys, when I contact address, do write the contact address, do write the region, city, town, state, postal code. Now guys, in the education, do choose the education. Looking for internship, or are you looking for internship or new recent graduate? Say internship, new recent graduate role, right? Yes, area of interest, highest degree, each and everything. Do fill up, guys. Now you have experience, do write the experience. Do, if you have done any certification courses, do write the certification courses. Have you experienced in the aviation industry? If yes, then write, then choose yes. If no, then choose no. Okay, now coming to the next thing is that do upload the documents they need and do write the fluent language in which you do submit, and the guys, they will call you for the interview. So guys, this was about the detailed video about how to apply and what is all about the job which has given Star Air as a contact center executive. Right, so guys, this was all about the video. Do apply, do take advantage, because as many people say airlines industry is not going into profit, why should I join? Guys, this is a platform because airlines pay good salary to their employees in starting. So right, if you join somewhere else, you will get less salary, but if you join aviation in starting, you will get very good salary. Guys, do also follow my Aviation Life page, and you can see a lot of good things. I also run a lot of crash courses. I used to coach people to crack airlines ground staff and cabin crew interview. So these are the few games. If you want to take admission, if you want to crack So do send me a WhatsApp message in my number 7999508444. Fee for the cabin crew crash course is 3000 rupees. Fee for the ground staff crash course is 3000 rupees. Guys, one more thing is that I have cracked 6 ground staff interview and 1 cabin crew interview. So I know a lot of strategies. 6 ground staff and 1 cabin crew interview. So I know a lot of strategies to crack, and I know a lot of strategies which you can perform in the airlines interview and you will get advantage. So guys, these are the few things, and today is Indian Coast Guard Day. So guys, wish you a very happy Indian Coast Guard Day, right? And we also run spoken English courses. So if you want to join spoken English courses, you can join. You can send a WhatsApp message, right? And one-on-one person mock interview is also there, so you can join one-on-one person mock interview, and one-on-one person coaching is there, so in which we used to give guaranteed selection. So do join this thing if you want, and a lot of things are there. A lot of courses are there, a lot of things are there. Do join, do see, do follow. Do also join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description. So guys, this was all about the video. Bye bye, take care, namaskar, and Jai Hind to all. Bye bye everyone. Let's meet at some other video, guys. Bye bye to all.